Modern history top 80 MCQ question.
Question number 1. Who opened the first school for untouchability in 1852? Correct answer option B. Savitribai Phule. Question number 2. Who was the first Governor General of India? Correct answer option B. Lord William Bentinck. Question number 3. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Correct answer option D. Warren Hastings. Question number 4. In which year Lord William Bentinck became the first Governor General of India? Correct answer option A. 1835. Question number 5. Which Governor General of India introduced permanent settlement? Correct answer option A. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 6. In which year Lord Cornwallis introduced permanent settlement? Correct answer option C. 1793. Question number 7. In which part of India permanent settlement introduced? Correct answer option A. North eastern part of India. Question number 8. In which year the Rowlatt Act was passed? Correct answer option D. 18th March 1999. Question number 9. The place Gandhiji is located. The place Dandi is located in which district of Gujarat? Correct answer option D. Navsari district. Question number 10. Who demanded for separate electorate in the second round table? Correct answer option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 11. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Correct answer option B. Lord Canning. Question number 12. In which year Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India? Correct answer option B. 1858. Question number 13. Who renounced the title of Haji ul Mulk during Khilafat movement? Correct answer option B. Hakim Ajmal Khan. Question number 14. In which year the first round table conference held? Correct answer option B. 1931. Question number 15. Which Governor General of India introduced doctrine of lapse? Correct answer option A. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 16. Who is popularly known as Frontier Gandhi? Correct answer option B. Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 17. Who is nicknamed King of All Soul Leader? Correct answer option B. Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 18. Where was the All India Khilafat Conference held in 1999? Correct answer option B. Delhi. Question number 19. Which two brothers led to the Khilafat Conference? Correct answer option A. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Question number 20. Who signed the Pune Pact on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer option B. Madan Mohan Malviya. Question number 21. In which year Pune Pact signed? Correct answer option A. 1932. Question number 22. During the tenure of which governor was the Victory Memorial Hall built in Calcutta? Correct answer option D. Lord Harding. Question number 23. At which place Gandhi ji gave the slogan Do or Die? Correct answer option A. Gwalior Tank Maidan. Question number 24. In which year Gandhi ji gave slogan Do or Die? Correct answer option A. 1942. Question number 25. Who was the head of Simon Commission? Correct answer option B. Sir John Simon. Question number 26. How many members in Simon Commission? Correct answer option A. 7. Question number 27. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Correct answer option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 28. In which time the first court was established in Kolkata? Correct answer option B, Warren Hastings. Question number 29. Whom accepted the first subsidiary alliance? Correct answer option B, Hyderabad. Question number 13. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance? Correct answer option B, Lord Wellesley. Question number 31. Which Governor General of India is known as the father of modern Western education in India? Correct answer option A, Lord William Bentinck. Question number 32. The first British presidency in India was established at. Correct answer option A, Surat. Question number 33. The first Portuguese East India Company established at. Correct answer option C, Calicut. Question number 34. The Swaraj Party was founded by whom? Correct answer option A, Chittaranjan Das. Question number 35. In which year Swaraj Party was founded? Correct answer option D, 1923. Question number 36. Aligarh Muslim University was the first Muslim university is established by whom? Correct answer option C, Warren Hastings. Question number 37. The first French East India Company established at. Correct answer option A, Surat. Question number 38. In which year RS Act 1 lakh was allotted for the education of India? Correct answer option A, Charter Act 1813. Question number 39. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa? Correct answer option C, 1915. Question number 14. At which place Mahatma Gandhi opened Satyagrah Ashram? Correct answer option A, Kochrav. Question number 41. Which was the first Satyagrah launched by Mahatma Gandhi in India? Correct answer option C, Champaran Satyagrah. Question number 42. In which year Champaran Satyagrah was launched by Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer option A, 1970. Question number 43. Champaran district is located which Indian state? Correct answer option C, Bihar. Question number 44. For helping which kind of planters Champaran movement was started? Correct answer option A, indigo planters. Question number 45. Which system was imposed by the British government on indigo Indian planters? Correct answer option B, Tinkatia system. Who were the founder of Swaraj Party? Correct answer option D, both B and C, Motilal Nehru and C, Chittaranjan Das. Question number 47. Which session of Indian National Congress gave the approval for civil disobedience movement? Correct answer option C, Lahore session. Question number 48. In which year Lahore session was held? Correct answer option A, 1929. Question number 49. The Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded by whom? Correct answer option D, William Jones. Question number 15. The British India Association of Kolkata was founded in which year? 1851. Question number 51. In which year Berlin Community was formed? Correct answer option C, 1914. Question number 52. The Berlin Committee, later known as the Indian Independence Committee, after which year? Correct answer option A, 1915. Question number 53. Which is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? Correct answer option C. Kapal Kundala. Question number 54. Kapal Kundala is Bengali romance novel written by whom? Correct answer option B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Number 55. Who was the architect of North and South Block of Central Secretariat in Delhi? Correct answer option B. Herbert Baker. Question number 56. Who painted the masterpiece Hamsa Damayanti? Correct answer option D. Raja Ravi Verma. Question number 57. The national song Vande Mataram is written by. Correct answer option A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 58. High court were established in Kolkata, Bombay and Madras in. Correct answer option B. 1961. Question number 59. When did the British make English the medium in education? Correct answer option C. 1835. Question number 16. Who gave the concept of Sampurna Kranti? Correct answer option A. Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 61. Who is the author of novel Devdas? Correct answer option C. Sarahat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Sarath Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 62. Which is regarded as the Magna Carta of Indian education? Correct answer option A. Wood Dispatch. Question number 63. Which Viceroy of India was known for the Good Viceroy of India? Correct answer option D. Lord Ripon. Question number 64. Who is known as Nightingale of India? Correct answer option C. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 65. Teacher Day is celebrated on which person's birthday? Correct answer option B is Radha Krishnan. Question number 66. National calendar which is based on Saka era was introduced in which year? Correct answer option A. 1957. Question number 67. Who started the newspaper Vande Mataram? Correct answer option A. Bipin Chandra Paul. Question number 68. Who was the author of Nil Darpan? Correct answer option A. Dinbandhu Mitra. Question number 69. Who introduced the Vernacular Press Act? Correct answer option C. Lord Lytton. Who is the author of the book Glimpse of Bird History? Correct answer option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 75. Who is the only Indian to have been awarded a Nobel Prize for Literature? Correct answer option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 72. Who was the Prime Minister of England when India got independence? Correct answer option A. Italy. Question number 73. Who headed the cabinet mission? Correct answer option C. Lord Panthick Lawrence. In which year cabinet mission come in India? Correct answer option A. 1946. Question number 75. Which British Governor General introduced postage stamp in India? Correct answer option C. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 76. In which year postal stamp were in first time? Correct answer option D. 1854. Question number 77. Whom was associated with the newspaper The Commonweal? Correct answer option B. Annie Besant. Question number 78. Which newspaper published first? Correct answer option A. The Bengali Gazette. Question number 79. Vande Mataram, the national song, was part of. Correct answer option D. Anand Math. Question number 18. Who is considered to be the father of self-government of India? Correct answer option A. Lord Ripon.